Alright, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I appreciate everybody tuning in to watch my crazy video. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. This is gonna be, what is it, number 2 out of those blankets that I've done with this color so far. Let's see, let me find the other one. We got this guy and then this guy. That'll be the last 2 of that color pattern. But got the dust mask cleaned out. There ain't no baby spiders hiding in there. That's a good thing. I'm fixing to turn on the noise makers and get with it. So I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you. Kick back. Have a good time.
Like a ghost in the night, lay the spinning dreams under neon light. Epoxy fumes and cosmic glue, roach clips sparkling in every hue. Made in pain, but it's all okay. Medication rolls the hurt away. Aliens laugh, they're here to stay. Grumpy's lighter flickers, it'll be okay. Fly like stars in the void, colors clash, chaos employed. Cosmic patterns born in grind, grumpy hums, losing time. The lighter clicks, the flames alive, workshop breathing, it's 9 to 5. Made in pain, but it's all okay. Medication rolls the hurt away. Aliens laugh, they're here to stay. Grumpy's lighter flickers, it'll be okay. It'll be okay. Epoxy drips like a molten dream, turning wood into a laser beam. Aliens whisper, keep the pace. Grumpy smiles in his cosmic space.
Spinning the wheel, Lathe hum louder than how I feel. Epoxy Roach clips scatter like stars, glowing cosmic like Venus and Mars.
Made in pain, medication so tight. Aliens bright, they dance in the night. Grumpy says the light has got a spark to play.
He mumbles low, it'll be okay.
Sawdust falling like tears from a tree. Every turn whispers, set me free. Fumes rise thick, a nebula haze. Grumpy's hands work through the maze.
Galaxies spin on a spindle's hum. Out of the void, creations come. Epoxy dreams in colors that scream. Life's a strange and splintered theme.
Made in pain, medication so tight. Aliens bright, they dance in the night. Grumpy says the light has got a spark to play.
He mumbles low, it'll be okay. in a smoky hue. Lathe keeps singing what it always knew. In cosmic colors, he carves the way. Grumpy sighs, it'll be okay. Grumpy spins the lathe, epoxy smoke in the air. Roach clips gleaming, aliens give a stare. Pain meds whisper, rolled tight in despair. Dust clouds rising, therapy everywhere. Cosmic light bouncing off his tools. Hands steady breaking alien rules.
Turning, turning, holding tight. Grumpy fights in the cosmic light. Lathe spins, alien plight like. Subscribe, keep it right.
Spaceship parked, double parked on the lawn. Neighbors peeking out like what's going on. Grumpy growls, tools in his palm. Lathe humming loud, that's his song.
Aliens plotting, but Grumpy's unfazed. Crafting his world in a resin haze. Hands wrapped tight, they can't erase. Dust in his lungs, time won't waste. Turning, turning, holding tight. Grumpy fights in the cosmic light. Lathe spins, alien plight like. Subscribe, keep it right. Grumpy fights in the cosmic light. Lathe spins, alien plight like. Subscribe, keep it right. Move like a ghost in the night. Lathe spinning dreams under neon light. Epoxy fumes and cosmic glue. Roach clips sparkling in every hue. Made in pain, but it's all okay. Medication rolls the hurt away. Aliens laugh, they're here to stay. Grumpy's lighter flickers, it'll be okay. Fly like stars in the void. Colors clash, chaos employed. Cosmic patterns born in grind. Grumpy hums, losing time. The lighter clicks, the flames alive. Workshop breathing, it's 9 to 5. Made in pain, but it's all okay.
Alright, hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. I hope everybody's having a great day. Weather's not too bad around here. It's our wannabe pretend fall, I guess you could say. We're still getting up there in the temperature during the day, but the evening and the morning temperature is much lower, and the humidity is very low, which is awesome. Alright, I had to move a stick out of the way we just did. Fixing to finish up this one. This is number 3 out of these colors. I hope everybody's enjoying that color combo. Came out pretty good. I just wish it could have had more color of like all the colors mixed throughout the whole thing. but mainly the blue and the green stayed up here towards the clip side, and more the yellow orange kind of went down towards the bottom, but still looks good. I like it. We'll get there. Alright, take your clip. Make sure I'm in my camera here. I keep myself in this little box. I gotta remember to keep myself like right here is like the ideal spot. But I kind of stretch that metal out some. Oh good. See, the last two sticks I did real good on the lathe. I haven't had to trim them up with the knife. Alright, nice. Get that on there. Take your stick or your tool, crimp your metal up onto your stick the best you can. Remember, don't smash that stick. It's hard.
Life's a strange and splintered theme.
Made in pain, medication so tight. Aliens bright, they dance in the night. Grumpy says the light has got a spark to play.
But you gotta be patient and try not to be heavy-handed right here. Heavy-handed and in a hurry, you're gonna mess this spot up. That's pretty good. Alright, and remember, if it bends and gets a little crooked, wait until you get your string on there. Alright, I'm getting my thread ready here. I'm using, what is this? I don't know. I guess it's for upholstery.
Lathe keeps singing what it always knew in cosmic colors.
And it just says upholstery, so I don't know. But it's 100% nylon. Like I said, I wish it was a little bit thinner than that. 1, 2, 3. I need to go one of these big box stores for the hunting and fishing. We have one over here, but I gotta go to Alabama to go to it. But I'm sure they would have that braided line that I want that's thinner than this. If I can, like I said, if I can find that braided line that's thinner than my pigtail line, I would use that for this part. Because it was sure enough to be strong. Alright, you get that wrapping around. And like I said, once it wraps a few times, it'll hold itself in place. And that's when you can start putting a thread to it. I used to be able to spin these things pretty quick. Try to do them fast and I start boogering up. Y'all hear it clicking, maybe. It only popped a couple of times and then I got off and started filling. But once it starts popping like that, I'll wrap up and fill the distance. And come back down. And it catches just right. Make sure you're not knotting up behind you. Moving fast like that, that's all. That'll make that line twist behind you quick. And that's what it's doing as you're pinching it so tight and doing it. It's trying to unspin, so it's twisting behind you. And it'll knot up if you don't straighten it back out every now and then. Now hold my finger on that so it don't unspool, because it'll get all loose. And then I'll wrap some tension and hold that down while I get this part ready. That's my pigtail puller. Put it up on here. Use my pinky to kind of guide it where I want it. Alright, you get that first wrap, hold it, don't wrap it too tight. It won't pull back through.
move like a ghost in the night. Later spinning dreams under neon light. Epoxy fumes and cosmic glue. Roach clips sparkling in every hue. Made in pain, but it's all okay. Medication rolls the hurt away. Aliens laugh.
Little sore. Like I said, I spun 2 sticks today. This is number 2
It'll be okay.
out of the first one I spun today. So standing up, looking down at that lathe got me sore on my neck. I did my yard yesterday, and we live on almost 3/4 of an acre. So I'm not mowing 3/4 of an acre. I'm mowing about probably half acre or so with a push mower, but it's a self-propelled push mower, so that helps. Alright, back at the top. Grumpy's just whooped. And I think we get the grandkids this weekend. Like I said, everybody was sick last weekend and then the weekend before, so we normally get them every other weekend, and I believe it was the weekend before was supposed to be their weekend to stay the night, but like I said, the granddaughter had COVID then, and then the following weekend is when my wife had COVID. And so I think everybody's doing good, so I'm not sure. We'll have to see if we get them this weekend or not. Don't know if they all want to wait an extra week. Now I choke up with a pencil because this is our nose wrapped too tight, and it's gonna pull and try to cut my finger if I use my finger. Yeah, that was tight. Alright, I wrapped up too soon. But it was tight. Alright, right here. Don't cut it longer than your wrap or you'll have a tail sticking out, and then that's the whole point of this wrap and the puller is to not have any knots or tails. So cut it shorter than your wrap. Alright, wrap back up with pencil. Pull through. Awesome. Good and tight. Break out the super glue.
Sawdust falling like tears from a tree. Every
It is hot
turn
out here, though.
set me free. Fumes rise thick, a nebula haze. Grumpy's
I need to
hands
truly
work
try to
through
get
the
my
maze.
garage insulated up good. I have a window unit that I can put in the window out here for AC, but like I said, I'm not insulated up enough, so I would basically be running that daggum AC all day long. It might cool down and make a difference, but I don't think it will. Run it when we first moved in, but I just don't think it was as hot back then as it is now. So I can see some thread right here that don't have any glue on it. Oh, that's okay. There it goes. Oh yeah, I need to get my window unit put back in and run it. I think I only need to get I have the that'll roll out insulation that's got the paper on one side that's about the width of your studs. I have some of that I can take and go up in the attic and lay between the trusses. I think I got some that's attic width. I think that's like 22 inches wide up there or something. I remember 22 and a half. I used to frame houses, it's been years ago, but I think it's like 16 between studs and 22 and a half between trusses, something like that. But I got it probably maybe 3 rolls would cover my attic above the garage. The rest of the attic's got insulation, it's just above the garage here they don't insulate the exterior walls of the house or the attic, or they didn't whenever it was built. I've insulated the exterior walls. I just got to put sheetrock on it or some type of paneling, and then, like I said, do the attic, and then seal off my main garage door. Still opens and closes to where a car could come in, but it's insulated in the panels. I just have to do the cracks a little bit better. Whew, that's another one, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Appreciate you listening to my babble. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Check out my description. I'll have a link for Spike Williams' fundraiser. Gotta help him out. Part of the tribe, strong supporter for Carbon Fusion, and Carbon Fusion put me into my carbon journey. So that's where my roots come from. So yes sir, I will always do my best to help and support. But yes sir, thank you. Hope y'all enjoy. Here we go. Turned out pretty good. I like this one. I'm getting my little, I guess, spears down decent for no jigs, doing that all by hand. I'm doing them a little too wide. You pretty much got to do it the width of your cutter, I guess, and it'll do it right. So I'm trying to gauge it on the yeah, hard to explain. Like I said, I don't use any compasses or anything like that. I just go at it. Y'all see how I turn them. So alright, I'm babbling. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.